The prepositions of time.
Using the preposition in.
The preposition in بنستخدمه مع تاريخ السنة.
Examples.
She was born in 1997.
They moved to Italy in 2004.
وبنستخدمها مع شهور السنة وفصول السنة.
Examples. We travel to Luxor in winter.
My birthday is in May.
كمان بنستخدم in مع أوقات اليوم المختلفة ما عدا كلمة night.
Examples.
I often exercise in the morning.
He went to the beach in the afternoon.
تستخدم in أيضا مع العقود والقرون، والعقد 10 سنوات والقرن 100 سنة، وده زي ما بنقول في السبعينات أو التمانينات، وزي كمان ما بنقول في القرن 19 أو في القرن 20.
Examples.
My father is in his 40s. Cars were cheaper in 1990s. Computers were invented in the 20th century.
وبنستخدم in مع بعض التعبيرات عن الوقت.
In time, in a hurry, in a minute, in few minutes.
Examples.
Mark comes to work in time.
I'll be back in few minutes.
Jane was in a hurry.
Thank you for watching. أتمنى نكون استفدنا. Thank you and bye for now.